The DS360 Liquid Cooler Kit is designed for optimal thermal performance, utilizing a robust aluminum radiator combined with an advanced pump to support high-performance CPUs and gaming systems. A standout feature of this cooler is its 2.4-inch IPS LCD screen, which provides real-time temperature monitoring and system statistics, adding a layer of personalization to your computing setup. Equipped with 3 high-airflow ARGB fans, this cooler ensures efficient heat dissipation and maintains a quiet operation, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The pump operates at a low noise level of 15 decibels while effectively circulating liquid, which is perfect for maintaining system stability during intense workloads or overclocking. Installation is straightforward thanks to its universal compatibility with both Intel and AMD sockets, along with pre-installed brackets and flexible sleeved tubing. Full ARGB lighting synchronization with popular RGB ecosystems like ASUS AuraSync and MSI Mystic Light enhances the visual aesthetics of your build.